Hey guys, so we have here our mini split air conditioner, and in this video we want to explain to you how to clean the filters that are inside of these machines. So the first thing we're going to do is, of course, make sure that we turn off our air conditioning so that it's not running while we're doing this. So usually when you take a look at the mini splits inside, the front cover can be removed as soon as it's opened up. So it's going to look for this little gap here, and we're going to be able to pull on either sides, on the right side and on the left side, just a little bit, maybe a little bit difficult to pull open, but it does open. In this case there's another attachment point here in the center, and then we can lift this cover upwards, and it should be staying open all by itself when you open it up most of the way. So it should be just looking like this. So now right here we already see the two filters. In this case, on this model here, this TLC model, we see here two separate filters that we can really easily lift upwards. So they're just hanging here on these little brackets, and so we push them upwards a little bit, and then we can just pull them out, and you already see here how dirty these are. So these air conditioners here, this air conditioner has just run a couple of months, so this one needs to be cleaned regularly. So all I'm going to do is going to the shower, and I'm going to just rinse it off, and I'm going to make sure that to do this from the inside of the filter towards the outside. So I'm not trying to push the dirt right through the filter, all this dust through the filter. I'm just trying to wash it away by using here my shower head from the inside of the filter towards the outside, and then everything. Most of the dirt should be coming off. In case something is just stubborn and just sits there, then I'm also rinsing it here from the side. So, but this should really be all you have to do. You shouldn't have to use any soaps or cleaners. So then once you're done with that, just let both of them sit and dry. And while I'm waiting for that to happen, I'm just going to inspect really the inside of the air conditioner, making sure that all this metal that you see here, these metal fins, that these are not really dirty, that these are still clean, because this is really important that these are clean. So in case these are dirty, because yours are dirty here, then I would suggest you hire a professional cleaner that comes over and just cleans these machines, cleans the machine for you with water. And then we're going to reinstall the filters, and that is pretty easy. You just have to look for these little glide paths here, little rails that you can push the filter into. Make sure you hold it in the right orientation here. You see these little tabs on the side of the filter, and then we're going to clip this right into behind these tabs. It's really easy. So then we repeat this, of course, with the second one as well. Just slide it along those rails. Can't really do this wrong. And then make sure they're sitting in the correct position. There's no open gaps here, so it should be looking just like this. Okay, and then the last step is just to close the lid again. Just firmly pull on it, and then make sure to press it into position. Should be really easy. In this case here we have 3 attachment points, so left, center and to the right. And that was already it. Yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.